Yo, what's up guys? Natasha here, and on my desk today is the Huawei MateBook 13. I'm sure you've pretty much a lot of things about this laptop. It's so easy to transfer files from your phone, from your Huawei phone to this laptop. Just tap on it and it looks pretty nice. So on my desk right now is what comes in the box. So have a look. It comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-A converter, charging block, and this Type-C to Type-C cable can be used to charge the laptop itself, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, we have come to the time where we decide what we like and what we don't like about the Huawei MateBook 13. Let's start off with what we like about the laptop first. Number one is one hop. So for those of you who are unfamiliar, Huawei has their own ecosystem and their own way of connecting things. So if you want to transfer things from your Huawei phone to the MateBook, all you gotta do is just tap your smartphone to this logo right up here, which is Huawei Share, and then immediately your files will be sent over into your laptop. What's another thing really cool is that you can even send over screenshots, and you can also copy and paste text from your phone into your laptop as well, which is really nice. Number two, fast and easy login. So like your phone, which uses a fingerprint or a thumbprint, this laptop also utilizes that, and it's not in a different kind of area on the laptop, but instead the fingerprint scanner is on the power button itself. All you gotta do is just put your fingerprint on and voila, boom, you're in. It's extremely convenient, and you don't have to kind of figure out what the password is or your PIN is. Just a tap of the finger and you're in. Alright, number three, this laptop is extremely quiet. Now by quiet, I'm not talking about the audio, but rather the fan. This laptop has a really interesting cooling system. It keeps your laptop cool pretty decently and stays quiet while doing so. Unlike other laptops, which tends to go like when it gets too hot, this doesn't. This is an extremely quiet laptop. Now, finally, my favorite thing about this laptop is the speakers. They're powered by Dolby Atmos and can be found at the bottom here. And they deliver some really good audio. Full-bodied, good bass, and also crystal clear, and most importantly, very loud. Now, let's talk about things that I wasn't really a fan of on this laptop. So this laptop was marketed as something lightweight, but unfortunately, that wasn't the case. This laptop is actually pretty heavy. Number two, this by far is kind of like the most disappointing part to me. This laptop actually lacks ports. It only comes with two ports, which is two Type-C ports and a headphone jack. So while this laptop does come with a converter, a Type-C to Type-A converter, you're only given one, and to me, I feel like that's not enough. And because of that, I feel like it really sucks for someone who doesn't use a Huawei phone to connect their phone to transfer over files. Can you hear that? Finally, let's talk about the design. So the design of the Huawei, it's very basic, and it kind of reminds me of the MateBook 14 as well as the MacBook. It looks too similar to other laptops, and it's kind of hard to distinguish and differentiate between this laptop to another laptop. I was really expecting for Huawei to come up with a different design. So to me, the only thing that kind of differentiates this laptop from other laptops is the Huawei logo, and that's it. Alright guys, that's all you need to know. This is our first impressions and hands-on. Let us know what you think and tag your friends who want to get the Huawei MateBook 13. I'm Natasha, signing out.